In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can recover your Roblox account in 2021 without a password or an email. So one thing I do need to mention before I start this video is that for this to work, you will need to have your phone number connected to your Roblox account. If you don't have your phone number connected to your Roblox account, this simply isn't going to work. The only other option you would have then is to try and contact support, explain to them what your situation is and try and resolve it that way. But if you have your phone number connected to your Roblox account, you can go ahead and follow the steps I'm about to outline in this video. So once you go to roblox.com and then you click on login, you'll be on this page. Now you don't want to fill in this information. You want to click on forgot password or username. So you don't want to do any one of these options, password or username. What you want to do is go ahead and click on use phone number to reset password at the bottom there. So that's why I say you do need to have your phone number connected to your Roblox account, and then you just want to go ahead and enter in your phone number. So I'll have to blur this for privacy reasons, but I'll enter in my phone number now. And then once you've entered in your phone number, click on the submit button. Okay, so now I just need to wait for the code to come through on my phone, and I am screen recording on my phone, so it'll pop up within this video. So I've gotten the codes, I'll go ahead and enter it in. So it's 198973. Click on verify, and then just like that, I can go ahead and create a new password. So that is how you recover your Roblox account in 2021 without an email or a password. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.